Okay, now we had created our first SPV, and now we are going to use that. First of all, there is a menu button, many meetings. Now we are going to manage generate meetings against SPV. So let's say we go inside native hydro. We're inside that. As we do not have any fee agreement does exist in this in the meeting, okay, even not initialized. So it will always say fee agreement doesn't exist. So you have to go to the SPV and then native hydro fee agreement, and then you have to remove this status no agreement. You have to stay maybe open or any other status and then update it. After doing that, when you will be come back and go inside native hydro, you will not see that message again. Now you have we are in the regular meetings, and we have three types here: upcoming regular meetings, previous regular meetings, and generate regular meetings. So what are these things? We will go step by step after generating meetings here. First step is the generate regular meetings. Okay, well, this thing is this step will create all the meetings till the December, till this current year of the December. It will create all the meetings that can be generated. Let's say we said okay, in each month we will have a meeting, and what will system do is it will create for the November, and then it will create for this for December. So two meetings for this current year only, and then for the next year you have to do that again. We are here now, and first step in this generate regular meeting is meeting info. You have to provide the meeting information. That is like SARA service. There is currently no SARA service exist. SARA service is the fee service that we had created, and we had attached it with the with this native hydro fee agreement, because we had just cancelled the agreement and the fee agreement is not initialized. So we do not have any other option in the list here. So what we have to do is we have to go to the SPV, native hydro, then fee agreement, and here we have to choose any service that we want to attach with this fee agreement. Let's say premium service. We said okay, it will be yearly, and how much amount for it is, let's say 500, and it's a flat quantity because we will be creating it for infinite meetings. We can create uh, infinite meetings. Okay, so we said any comments there. Okay, let's add that to the regular service. Now it's there, and in the meetings we are in the native hydro. Okay, regular meetings now. Remember this thing that when we are here, you will see always the regular services here, not the additional one. Additional one are used for these purposes, not here. When you are here, it means you will see the regular services that you had attached in the fee agreement. So you choose a premium service, and then you provide any subject of the meeting that will be handled and who will be person in charge. Let's say Marcel Jones, so you're not here. Let's say Asghar Khan. And what will be the language we will use is the English, broader city. Okay, that means this is the days that I was talking about, that after how many days we will have a next meeting. We will always have a next meeting after 30 days. Okay, and then meeting date. What will be this current starting? What will be the first meeting date? Okay, it will be the today. And what will be the time of that meeting? Okay, you can choose any time here. You can say like 2 and then 00. Okay, 2:00. All right, that means 2 a.m. p.m. And then meeting duration, same thing. Let's say 1 hour, and let's say maybe 1 hour and 30 minutes. And the address of the meeting, that means where this meeting will be held always. Let's say it will be Hotel 1. Okay, Hotel 1, and the room number room maybe 20. Let's say it's just I'm just typing it for an example. And then there is an option that you who are the board members will be involved in this meeting. We say we currently have only one member, so you have an option to choose all or choose different ones. and then after that you have to click on the next. Okay, go up. This is menu is for the guest, that who is there any guest coming in the meeting. Okay, let's say yes. Okay, let's type the name. Let's say who is will be the meeting. I choose anyone. I'm just choosing it as an example. Okay, it's here now. Let's say the person is not in the list. So what we have to do is we have to click on the plus icon, and then we can type any name here. Okay, last name and then an email address that person. Okay, after doing that, you have to click on the add button. It will be automatically added here. Right? Click on the cancel and switch back. After doing that, you have an option. Uh, you have an option to remove that. So we had removed this. Okay, we don't need it. And after that, we can go on next. Okay, meeting report. Now it's time to attach the reporting. Okay, we are now attaching the reporting template. Okay, we will come to the templates after generating these meetings, that what is it and how we will be using that. I think there is no option here. Okay, so that means we cannot go further, so we have to go to the report templates, and this we will discuss this in the next meeting. Now this is the second part of the video of generating regular meetings, and let's start it again. First of all, you have to go click on a service that you had attached it in the SPV fee agreement service, and then after that you have to type a title of the meeting, and then the person in charge, and then there is a language. After that, there is a periodicity. Periodicity means we had already talked about it. So let's say 30 days, and then a meeting date, a meeting time. Let's say it will be at 2. Then let's say meeting duration will be only 1 hour. Then let's say meeting address will be hotel 1 and room number 20. Okay, next is the board members, that who will be attending these meetings from board members, because we had selected a board members from here. Then let's go to the next. Guests. Okay, we had talked about that how you can add a guest here. So let's just add one that we had added last time. Click on the next. Reporting. Now all of your report templates that you had created here. So all the list, they will be here, like introduction report, just like we had created. Introduction report, collection data before. Okay, now you see after selecting a system has automatically taken out the users, because these users we had told the system that this is the form and who will be filling it. Okay, and then system has known it that who will be responsible for that, and then according to the according to the formula, system has automatically taken the data from the current company. And now we have that how system will collect data before. Okay, because this reporting will be done before the starting of the meeting, and so let's say we say okay 15 days before start collecting this information, and then how much deadline interval, that means when we will be when will be this the deadline of collecting data if someone doesn't respond or someone doesn't gives the information against needed in our report. Let's say 10 days before deadlines. These intervals are before starting of the meeting. Okay, let's say we have let's be 20 November is our meeting start date. Then on 5 November, system will start collecting. Okay, and on 10 November, system will automatically set the deadline and check that who had not responded. And then we have a fund manager This fund manager will be responsible for verifying this report at the end. Then we have a next button, and here we can attach some documents. Let's say it's an optional actually. So if you want to attach some documents, that will be always be available to all of the members. So they will be open, they can open it and read it and print it. Okay, so you can attach it. Sorry, this will be actually asking for documents to the members. Okay, so you will tell the person that who will send you an who will be requested. Okay, let's say Marcel, let's say this person, and then how many days before, let's say 10 days before or starting of the meeting, this person will be asked to attach a document. What document it will be? It will be, let's say, accounting. Okay, accounting report, just like that. Now system will automatically ask that person before starting of the meeting, 10 days before starting of the meeting. Next, now we have an agendas. Okay, it's also an optional, and if you want to add it, you will have a checkbox. Just enable it, and now we say okay, internal days before. That means that the same that when we need to when we will be getting asking agenda to the members. Okay, before start of the meeting. Let's say 5 days before, ask agendas to the members, and then the template. This is the part that we had done in the settings, that when you reuse all of mostly things that are repetitive, so you just created a template for that, and then here you will see a list of that. You have to just select it, and system will automatically grab all the information from template to here. Okay, and then you can compose an agenda. Okay, it will look like this. Let's say next. Then we have a reminders. Okay, this is the same thing. Let's say let's say you want to know when the this is just for yourself, person that is managing the meetings. So if he wants to notify before, let's say he wants to notify himself that before 5 days I should be notified that there is a meeting coming up. Okay, so the system will automatically send him a notification that there is a meeting coming up, and if you want to send a CC to some person, you can attach it here also. You will see all the list of the members when you will have it. Okay, next we have the attachment here. If you want to attach some documents to the regular meeting, you have to just click it and then take some document, and it will be attached here. If you want to download, you can download it, and if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Now you just have to click on the generate button to generate the regular meetings.